Welcome to PCB Heaven Tech Labs. In this video, I will demonstrate my next circuit, which is this 10 buttons touch keypad. I usually assemble the circuit on a breadboard for prototyping, but this time that was not possible. That is because the touch controller, which is this PIC16F1937, has to be as close as possible with the touch buttons. So I made this prototype dual layer PCB. The package of the microcontroller is normally mounted with through-hole pads on the board, but I wanted to keep the top layer with as less holes as possible, so I soldered the PIC as if it was a surface-mounted chip. I did the same also for the ICSP connector. This way, the top layer is kept flat. I then sticked these thick rectangular double-sided tape pieces to elevate the touchpads. I used these pieces for three reasons. The first reason is that the touch keypad will be mounted behind a plexiglass piece, and the buttons must touch the plexiglass surface very firmly. The double-sided tape can do this very effectively. The second reason has to do with the button's vias. Each button via has a thin layer of solder. During soldering, I tried to keep it as thin as possible, but no matter what, the solder will always be higher than the copper layer. So the buttons must be elevated, otherwise they will not touch the plexiglass surface. Finally, the third reason has to do with the button accuracy. The elevated touchpads create a thin space with air between the buttons. The air has a very small dielectric constant. With this simple technique, the touch buttons are effectively separated each other. The interface is done through these 6 wires. The first and second wires are the 5 volts and the ground. The other 4 wires is the output. If a button touch is detected, the corresponding number is shown in BCD format on these 4 wires. For the sake of this video, I made this very simple circuit. I used this 7-segment LED display, which is driven with this CD4511 BCD to 7-segment decoder. The decoder reads the 4 bits BCD output from the touch keypad and shows the corresponding number on the LED display. As always, complete documentation with schematics, code and PCB can be found in my website. If you like this video, subscribe and rate. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to visit my website for more interesting circuits.